Gentlemen, if you're over 40, the wrong casual shirt can instantly age you, and it's a mistake I see far too often. In this video, we're breaking down the style traps that make your outfits look sloppy or outdated and showing you exactly how to upgrade your casual shirt game in 2025. From poor fits to the wrong fabrics, I'll guide you through every detail so you can look sharp, confident, and effortlessly stylish, no matter the occasion. Don't stu fort to subscribe the man's style, Dekriangjit, ready to transform your casual look into something that turns heads for all the right reasons. Let's get started. 1. The oversized casual disaster. Many men over 40 make the mistake of choosing casual t-shirts or shirts that are too loose, hoping for a relaxed look. However, oversized cuts can make you look shorter, fatter, and less well-groomed. The key is in the fit, not tight, but fitting to the body. A t-shirt with fitted shoulders, sleeves that fall halfway down your bicep, and a length that doesn't go past the zipper is a good choice. Solid colors like olive green or charcoal gray give a mature and masculine impression. Avoid t-shirts with large logos or cartoon images. For mature men, small details like quality fabric and neat stitching will elevate a casual look. Remember, your goal isn't to look like a college student, but like a well-established man with effortless style. Two, the wrinkled linen trap. Linen shirts are comfortable in hot weather, but many men over 40 wear them straight off the hanger without ironing. The result is a messy, unready-to-go-out look. The solution is to choose high-quality linen with a cotton blend for a more polished, sleek look. Choose beige or off-white for a relaxed, elegant look, and always iron or steam them before wearing. Pair them with slim-fit chinos and leather loafers. This style conveys the impression of enjoying life while still paying attention to detail. Don't forget to roll up your sleeves neatly for a controlled, casual touch. It's the difference between looking just back from the beach and ready for lunch at a fancy cafe. Three, the loud print problem. Many men over 40 still choose casual shirts with large prints and bold colors, tropical, large floral, or busy graphics. This draws attention to the shirt, not you. The key is to choose microprints or subtle patterns, like microchecks or pinstripes. For example, a fitted navy microcheck shirt is elegant yet relaxed. Choose a lightweight, comfortable poplin material that can be worn in a variety of settings. Pair it with dark jeans and suede derby shoes for a smart, casual balance. Remember, mature men should wear patterns that complement, not dominate. Four, the sloppy, untucked look. Casual shirts left loose and undone can distort your body proportions. Many men over 40 choose long styles that cover the middle of their thighs, making them look like they're wearing pajamas. The solution? Wear a casual shirt with the right length, one that zips up your pants and falls slightly below your belt. Choose a slim-fitting Oxford or chambray shirt in light blue for a fresh look. You can wear it untucked, but make sure the length is ideal. Pair it with navy chinos and white leather sneakers for a casual yet polished look. 5. The over-decorated buttons mistake. Many men choose casual shirts with contrasting buttons, bold stitching, or large chest pockets. These details look cheap and are inappropriate for men over 40. Choose a minimalist shirt with buttons that blend in with the fabric. For example, a charcoal gray shirt in thin twill creates a luxurious, understated look. Pair it with slim-fit wool trousers and monk strap shoes for a smart casual touch. Simplicity is sophistications. Small, neat details speak louder than over-embellishment. Six. Oversized short-sleeve camp collar shirt. Shirts with excessive width can drown your frame, making you appear sloppy rather than effortlessly casual. Many men over 40 choose oversized camp collar shirts, thinking they hide weight, but they often create a boxy, unshaped silhouette. The key is to keep it relaxed without losing proportion. Look for a cut that drapes naturally without hanging like a curtain. Wear it untucked with tailored chinos or slim shorts for a balanced look. Avoid loud tropical prints. If you want to keep it classy, stick to muted patterns or subtle stripes that flatter your build. This shirt style works best with soft fabrics, like cotton linen blends that allow movement without adding bulk. 7. Bright neon casual shirt. Neon tones might grab attention, but after 40, they can overpower your natural presence and clash with mature style. Instead of highlighter yellow or electric pink, choose deep, rich shades that signal confidence without screaming for it. A neon shirt can also make your skin tone look washed out or unnaturally harsh. Opt for earthy tones or jewel hues for a more sophisticated impression. Pair with neutral trousers to let the shirt stand out without overwhelming your look. If you love color, burnt orange, teal, or deep red can add vibrance without looking juvenile. The goal is to enhance your presence, not compete with it. Eight. Shiny satin casual shirt. Shiny satin might work for a themed party, but it's risky for everyday style, especially after 40. The reflective finish can highlight every crease, make you look sweaty under bright light, and lean into a dated disco aesthetic. Instead, choose matte or lightly textured fabrics like Oxford cotton, chambray, or brushed twill. These materials add visual depth without the glare. A good casual shirt should have a touch of structure, so it frames your body. Pair with well-fitted trousers or dark jeans for balance. Keep accessories minimal to let the shirt's texture stand out naturally. Nine. Cartoon graphic casual shirt. Large cartoon prints can instantly make your outfit look juvenile, which undermines your style credibility after 40. While playful elements can work, they should be subtle and cleverly integrated. Embroidered motifs or minimalist patterns. Overly large graphics on the chest or back can also distort the shirt's drape. Instead, focus on solid colors or refined patterns like microchecks, small florals, or tone-and-tone prints. Pairing these with neutral trousers or chinos keeps the look balanced and timeless. Untucked shirt that's too long. An untucked shirt can be stylish, but if it covers too much of your thighs, it throws off your proportions. Many men over 40 wear shirts that are more like tunics, making legs appear shorter and the whole outfit unbalanced. The ideal untucked shirt should end around mid-fly for trousers or just below the belt for jeans. Stick with tailored cuts that follow your shape without clinging, combined with tapered trousers for a crisp, elongated silhouette. Faded neon colors. Wearing a casual shirt in faded neon colors like washed out lime, pale hot pink, or dull neon orange can make your outfit look tired and outdated. These shades lose their vibrancy quickly and can make your skin tone appear duller, especially after 40. Bright colors can still work, but they should be rich, saturated, and balanced with neutral pieces. Instead of faded neon, opt for deeper jewel tones like emerald, burgundy, or midnight blue. They convey energy without looking cheap, and they photograph far better. The right color choice not only flatters your skin tone, but also shows you have refined taste. Mature style is about depth and richness in color, not chasing flashy tones that scream trying too hard. Overly busy plaid patterns. Plaid shirts can be timeless, but overly busy patterns with too many clashing colors can overwhelm your frame. Men over 40 benefit from cleaner, more structured plaids with fewer colors. Loud, chaotic patterns often look like bargain bin flannel from decades ago, making you appear stuck in the past. Instead, opt for subtle contrast 2 or 3 colors. Max the shirt complements the rest of your outfit rather than competing for attention. Pairing a refined plaid with solid trousers instantly elevates the look. Keep in mind that your shirt should never wear you. You should wear the shirt with confidence. Busy plaids steal that balance, pulling focus away from you and your presence. Overly loose short sleeves. Casual short sleeve shirts that hang like sails from your shoulders are one of the fastest ways to lose shape and style. Loose sleeves make your arms look smaller and your body less structured. At 40+, fit is everything. Sleeves should gently follow the line of your arm without squeezing. Look for shirts with tailored sleeves that end just above the elbow for a balanced proportion. Avoid those oversized beach tourist shirts unless you're actually at the beach. Fitted short sleeves signal intention in your outfit and instantly sharpen your look. Combine with a smartwatch or bracelet for a subtle touch of sophistication. Distracting graphic prints. Big, loud graphic prints, especially ones with random text, slogans, or cartoonish images, to cheapen a mature man's look. While they might feel playful, after 40 they can easily come across as juvenile or attention-seeking in the wrong way. Instead, keep graphic elements minimal or avoid them altogether. If you want visual interest, go for texture, embroidery, or subtle prints like micropatterns. These add personality without overpowering your outfit. The focus should be on the man wearing the shirt, not the shirt shouting over him. Wearing shirts too long untucked. A shirt that hangs too far below the hips when untucked instantly throws off your proportions, making your legs appear shorter and your frame unbalanced. Casual shirts should generally end mid-fly or just past the belt line for the most flattering look. This detail is especially important for men over 40, as good proportions can make you look taller, fitter, and sharper. Tailoring or choosing a shirt designed to be worn untucked can fix this problem instantly. Remember, fit isn't just width, it's also length. There you have 15 casual shirt mistakes that are silently killing your style after 40, and exactly how to fix them. Style isn't about chasing trends. It's about understanding fit, fabric, and how to make clothes work for you. Make these changes, and you'll project confidence and sophistication in every casual setting. If you found this guide useful, give it a like, subscribe for more men's fashion tips, and share it with a friend who needs a style upgrade. Well, live well, and I'll see you in the next video.